Welcome back, guys. Today's video, we're going to cover sales tax payment. To begin, open the accounts menu and select the sales tax payments, or you can access it from the smart search as well. This page is used to review sales tax due, track sales tax payments, and record payments made for a selected period. At the top, you will see the overall tax summary. This includes total tax due, total tax payment, total paid, and net tax due. You can use the filter button to select a date range. Choose the start and end date, then click apply. The page will update based on the selected period. If you want to reload the latest information, you can click the refresh button. When you click the add button, the add sales tax payment window will open. Over here, you can either enter the credit card fees, late charges, penalties, discounts, other fees, other discounts, and the system will calculate the net paid amount. Below that, you will see the sales tax due records for the selected month. Select the records you want to pay, review the total, and then click Pay. Once the payment is added successfully, the payment record will appear in the main sales tax payments list. From the main list, you can use the View Details button to open the payment details. This lets you review the paid amount, fees, discounts, net paid amount, and the individual tax due records included in that payment. If a payment was entered by mistake, you can use the delete button to remove it if needed. You can also use the search option to quickly find a specific payment records, and the export option allows you to export or share the payments list. You can export by CSV, Excel, or even PDF. You can also email the report if you need to. At the bottom of the table, the total row shows the combined totals for paid amounts, credit card fees, late charges, penalties, discounts, and other fees. And that's how you use the sales tax payment section inside the accounts module. And that's it for the sales tax payments module. I'll see you guys in our next one.